안녕하세요. Hello everyone. If you are new here, this channel is all about learning Korean step by step in a simple and practical way. Today we are reviewing the core building blocks of Hangul, the Korean alphabet created by King Sejong the Great in 1443 and officially published in 1446. In this beginner-friendly video, we review basic Korean consonants and vowels and practice reading simple Korean words without final consonant, 받침. Shall we read it together? 기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 시옷, 이응, 지읒, 치읓, 기역, 티귿, 비읍, 히응, 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이. In Korean, letters combine into square syllable blocks like 기역, makes car, and na mu makes namu. Simple, isn't it? And now you are reading Korean already. Follow for more beginners Korean lessons and let's master Hangul step by step. Thank you. 감사합니다.